Have you ever wondered if those sleek SoFi checks come with a price tag? It's a question that many people have, and today, we're diving deep into the world of SoFi checks to find out the truth. SoFi has become a popular financial platform, offering a range of services from investing to personal loans. Their sleek, modern checks have caught the eye of many people looking for a stylish and convenient way to pay their bills. But the question remains, do these stylish checks come with a hidden cost? To answer this question, we'll need to explore the different types of SoFi checks available and the fees associated with them. We'll also compare SoFi's check fees to those of traditional banks to see if they offer a better deal. Types of SoFi checks. SoFi offers a variety of checks, including standard personal checks, business checks, and cashier's checks. Let's break down each type and the associated fees. Standard personal checks. These are the most common type of checks offered by SoFi. They are typically used for personal transactions like paying bills or making purchases. Business checks. Designed for businesses, these checks are used for professional transactions. Cashier's checks. These are checks issued by a bank on behalf of a customer. They are often used for large transactions or when a guaranteed payment is required. SoFi's check fees. While SoFi doesn't charge a monthly fee for its checking account, there are fees associated with certain check-related activities. These fees can include check printing fees. SoFi charges a fee for printing checks. The exact fee may vary depending on the number of checks ordered and the type of checks. Overdraft fees. If you write a check for more money than you have in your account, you may be subject to an overdraft fee. Return check fees. If a check is returned due to insufficient funds or other reasons, you may be charged a return check fee. Comparison to traditional banks. To get a better understanding of SoFi's check fees, let's compare them to traditional banks. While the specific fees may vary from bank to bank, traditional banks often charge similar fees for check-related services. Pros and cons of SoFi checks. Pros. Stylish and modern design. Easy to order online. No monthly checking account fee. Cons. May have higher fees for certain check-related activities. Limited number of check options. So, does SoFi charge for checks? The answer is yes, but the fees are comparable to those charged by traditional banks. If you're looking for a stylish and convenient checking account with no monthly fee, SoFi may be a good option. However, it's important to carefully consider the fees associated with check-related activities before making a decision. If you're interested in learning more about SoFi's checking account and its fees, I encourage you to visit their website or contact their customer service. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.